You feeling it today, huh?
You said run that back.
Dog, we all feeling that shit.
Yeah.
No, I was saying push it on the next track. Hell yeah, put that shit on the next one. Ooh, shit.
He trying to make one, too.
Y'all ready?
Who, me?
Can y'all go to this shit?
I try to go on for whatever.
Can I go to this shit, nigga?
Alright then.
Like I go to his bitch.
Let's do that.
I go to that bitch like I go to the beat. Bang, bang. She banging on my chest like a drum. I pick the pussy up. Bang, bang. She call me gorilla. I use no tongue. I use no thumb. I use no money. I use no cash. I drop the bitch off every day. You beat her. I drop the bitch off every day. She pay hard. She pay hard. She go hard. I'm a young nigga that go hard. I go hard for the cash. I bless your ass in your head. Leave your ass in the trash bag. Leave your ass in glad wrap. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm a young savage, nigga. With a nation, nigga. With a flock of niggas. Fuck around. Make a young nigga. Bust a nigga.
This nigga the one to talk crazy. You nigga, you little fugazi. Try to snap on me, I'ma smack you up cause you ain't got no baby. Talking crazy about the clock. Y'all niggas ain't on the block. You talking crazy on to the cops. So I got you running like off the block. When I let the chop just do his thing. Getting money through all the rain. Niggas talking about you make a change. Y'all niggas just look the same. Me nigga, I'm on the blaze. Y'all niggas gonna get blazed with all K's. If you ever try me, I'ma catch a body in the tracks.
Real shit, I'm all great. I'm real, y'all all fake. Come through, y'all pussy ass niggas just cannot relate to a real nigga getting that cake. Yeah, you know I got no brakes, till I'm going. Ice so cold, it feel like it's snowing. Real shit, me and my niggas on real tips. Say we spending like $30 on a pint of lick. That's the Patron, or the Douce, fuck what you say. Me and my niggas getting in on Tuesday.
Niggas say he forgave. My diamond looking like a lady. I got you, bitch, and she acting a little bit lazy. So it's time for a change. Mantro, all these hoes call me Bebo, for I go insane. I am insane. I am out of my brain. I'm aiming at your head. I'm shooting for your brain. Trill will, known for, kill everything. Put your ass in the tomb, put your ass in the grave.
Real shit, these niggas they need to stop it. They know that I be about money, so sorry if you ain't on the topic. And you know we smoking on greens, yeah, you could just call it tropic. And you know all of my niggas is big, y'all niggas ain't shit, we pushing that weight. Y'all niggas ain't nothing, we moving them on wheels like we got skates. Y'all niggas is fake, you need to stop. You need to stop. You need to stop. You need to stop. You need to stop.
Go in, I'ma go ahead and I'ma snap hard till I'm all dead. And my little niggas, we break bread and we send them home and break the legs. Getting money with a whole leg. And these niggas talking all to the feds and I go crazy, all lazy. Y'all niggas, y'all fool gazing with 100 Glock with that big chop. And I'ma let it rock till you off the block and I'ma shoot it down 100 rounds. Snapping hard with the clowns. And these little niggas say, see me? Niggas wanted to beat me. Two go crazy like EC. I snap hard, y'all cheat.
With a bad bitch that you ain't never seen before. Baby mama know her name, but she ain't never seen her though. Keep her hair done, her skin light like a Kia coat. Every now and then we get some Remy and some Trina blow. She with her man, I walk past, I don't even greet her though. Playing it off so smooth, this shit is unbelievable. Tell that nigga you don't know me, a doubt of being reasonable. Get the munchies head to the berry. Who that new bitch with the kid? Nobody seen to know. My bitch at the crib getting a number off the cheater shop. Talking about she a good girl and never cheat before. Probably cause she never met a nigga like me before. My bitch wanna kill me, I think I need a PPO. Taking days off work, she hounding on that PTO. How about you say my name is Bestie in your EVO? Cause we don't know, she don't know, but Jesus know.